10 Benefits of Galangal. Galangal, a close relative of ginger and turmeric, is a spice that has been used in traditional medicine and cuisine across Asia for centuries. Known for its aromatic, spicy, and slightly citrusy flavor, galangal is not just a culinary delight but also a powerhouse of health benefits. In this article, we'll delve into the top 10 benefits of incorporating galangal into your diet. 1. Boosts digestive health. Galangal is known for its ability to improve digestive health. It stimulates the production of digestive enzymes, helping to break down food more effectively and reducing symptoms of bloating and indigestion. 2. Anti-inflammatory properties. The active compounds in galangal have strong anti-inflammatory effects, making it a natural remedy for reducing inflammation in the body. This can be beneficial for conditions such as arthritis and other inflammatory diseases. 3. Supports respiratory health. Galangal has been traditionally used to treat respiratory conditions like asthma, bronchitis, and colds. Its warming effect helps to clear congestion and soothe the throat, making it easier to breathe. 4. Enhances circulation. The warming properties of galangal can improve blood circulation throughout the body. Better circulation ensures that more oxygen and nutrients reach your cells, enhancing overall health and vitality. 5. Boosts immune system. Rich in antioxidants, galangal helps to strengthen the immune system. It fights off free radicals that can cause cellular damage and lowers the risk of chronic diseases. 6. Supports cognitive function. Studies suggest that galangal may have neuroprotective effects, potentially improving memory and cognitive function. This makes it a valuable addition to the diet for those looking to enhance brain health. 7. Natural pain reliever. Galangal contains analgesic properties, making it an effective natural remedy for pain relief. It can help alleviate pain from headaches, muscle soreness, and menstrual cramps. 8. Antimicrobial properties. Galangal has been shown to possess antimicrobial properties, which can help fight off bacterial, viral, and fungal infections. It's particularly effective against foodborne pathogens, making it a great addition to your diet for better food safety. 9. Promotes skin health. The antioxidants and anti-inflammatory properties of galangal contribute to healthier skin. It can help reduce acne, improve skin texture, and even slow down the aging process by combating wrinkles and fine lines. 10. Aids in weight loss. Galangal can aid in weight management by boosting metabolism and promoting fat breakdown. It also helps regulate appetite, making it easier to maintain a healthy diet. Incorporating galangal into your diet is easy and can be done in a variety of ways, from adding it to soups and teas to using it as a spice in your favorite dishes. Whether you're looking to improve digestion, boost your immune system, or enhance your overall health, galangal offers a natural and effective solution.